Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through an easy guide on how to withdraw cash to bank on crypto.com. So to get started with the easy guide on how you can easily withdraw cash to your bank on crypto.com. So the first thing to do is to make sure you open the app, then log in and ensure your fiat wallet is available on the account. Then once that is fixed, navigate to fiat wallet, then tap account and select fiat wallet where your crypto was previously sold. Then to continue, you have to start a withdrawal. So tap transfer and choose withdrawal, then select bank transfer. So you can use the ACH or Swift depending on your country. And after that, you have to select your bank account. So choose your linked account. If you haven't linked anyone yet, tap add bank account and enter your details. Done. Once that is done, enter the withdrawal amount. So type the cash amount you want to transfer to your bank and tap review. So what that is fixed, you have to confirm the withdrawal. So verify the fee and expected delivery time, which is usually between 1 to 3 business days. Then tap confirm or submit, and that's how you can easily withdraw cash to bank on crypto.com. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.